What's going on, YouTube? It's a beautiful, beautiful day today. I'm getting a few cars ready because guess what? It's a busy season. Today is December 31st. I have about 24 cars on Turo, and let me show you what you guys like. The only car that I have available right now is this BMW. Well, it's not really available because it's technically going out at 10 a.m. today. So it's crazy. It's going out. I'm just cleaning it up, getting it ready because I am done. But as you can see, it's a completely empty warehouse. Oh my God, look at this. There's no cars. Well, and I did add a new vehicle. Well, I bought a new vehicle. I'm going to add this baby, but I'm going to keep it for now to drive it for fun, enjoy that new Maserati. This is a 2023 Maserati Grayscale. It's literally a new model it just came out with, and my wife always wanted a Porsche, and I don't know, I did my research and pretend to find out this car stands out pretty well. So I just got this baby here. Beautiful car, and I'm just so excited about this car, and I've been enjoying driving it so far. And now it's crazy. It is crazy now because I'm gonna have to put this baby to work, There's no reliability here, I'm gonna have to put it to work because here in my house, my daughter know every toy. I don't make no monthly payment and then don't get anything in return. So if I'm making monthly payment for something, it needs to make me money. That's just the mentality I have. I don't sit there. The only thing I need to make money, I need to pay, it's where I live. My house, I have no choice because I need a roof over my head. But anything else, as long as there's a need for it, then it's going to be making me money. And that's the whole idea. So this baby look clean. Tool ready. So now it's time to park this baby outside for the customer that's coming to pick it up. This car is actually on Turo Go. And in case, for those of you who's watching who doesn't know what Turo Go is, Turo Go, it's not a different app. It's the same app, but you have a different tab that actually give the customer any car that can remotely unlocked. So if you have a car that can remotely unlocked, Turo will add it on this section called Turo Go, and that'll give the customer flexibility where you don't have to ID verify the customer. You can literally just clean the car, leave it there, then they'll come with their phone. Of course, you still need to make sure you take pictures, you do your check-in process, but for the most part, Turo will, Turo will kind of get the car, verify the customer for you because they're on that Turo Go network, so they do everything. So you don't necessarily have to verify the customer. So that's the whole purpose of having Turo Go. I love having BMWs on the platform because they give you that options, and you can save money on lockbox. You don't have to keep buying lockbox, so that's one way you can save money too, by having these type of cars that can unlock, remotely unlock. You don't have to keep, and those lockbox prices are rocking up. My favorite ones right now, they're like 45 bucks now, 45 bucks a piece. So I have 24 cars now on the platform, and yeah, so I'm growing. Business is good. Business is not too bad at all. I got this warehouse that I'm actually paying $3,000 a month for this warehouse. This place. $3,000 a month just to keep my cars, get them ready. I don't even wash them here. I only have this water. I have actually, there's a car wash right by me that's only literally less than 3 minutes away. So I do have one guy working with me. So with 24 cars, it's only literally 2 of us, well 3 of us, because my wife actually handle all the paperwork, all the paper and the business part of the. Well, of course, I get to decide the price because when you're the man, so I kind of pay attention to the market, knowing what's good, what's bad. Did someone scratch my rims? No. My wife didn't make a bad turn here. Yeah, so it is what it is. So if you guys want some Turo game, oh, this tire is very expensive. It's $400 a piece. That's the same tire I had for my BMW when I had to replace it. This is a very expensive tire. I wish they didn't put it on there. Yeah, those run on flat. They're great tires, but that was the same one I had at first on my BMW. This one. There we go. It's the same brand, and it's crazy. I had to change one, and to find out it was $400. So I was like, you know what? There we go. This two front has the same, but the back I had to put a different one because they were too expensive. This was the cheapest I can get. And this car, it's not like I'm using them for pleasure. So I do enjoy driving them, but definitely not for pleasure. So yeah, thank you. This car is ready to go. You see, I take things to a whole new level. I got 2 vacuum on the side, and I even put those 2 in the car. You know, I buy those from Amazon. I'll put the link below this video. And those kind of help. You just put you a little bit more professional, you know what I mean? And I'm all about the professional side. Very good.